So we left Taman Negara today and we went on a taxi for 100 ringgit, which is what's that, about 20 quid, for over an hour to get to Jerantut. And Jerantut has got a railway station that's part of the Jungle Railway. From there we take a it's 1 hour train, 40 pence, that's all. And then from there we go to Kuala Lipis after the hour, wait around for a couple of hours, and then after that we've got 6 hours, which I think was about £4 or something on the Jungle Railway, until about 11 o'clock tonight. We're going to stop at a place called Tanah Merah, and that is for, we stop for just one night, get up really early in the morning, go straight to the jetty to go to Perhentian. So it's another 1 hour in a taxi tomorrow. My fingers crossed that actually all these, all the trains are actually here, because that's the one thing they do say about the Jungle Railway is it doesn't always run or run on time. So let's hope it runs, because otherwise we are stuffed. It's 20 to 1. We're at Jerantut. Jerantut is the sort of the gateway to Taman Negara, but obviously we went by ferry. But anyway, we're on the train now at the station. Pretty clean station, hardly anybody here. Sunday, 12:40. Our train doesn't turn up until hopefully 1:27. And what we can see is in the train station, I think maybe a bit like India, but these are fixed. It's telling us like coach A is there, and then there'll be more going on down the platform. We're in coach A. I booked the tickets online, so I know we're in row 5, coach A, so that's quite easy. So it's our first time travelling on a Malaysian train, so I didn't really know what to expect, but I did use easybook.com and actually booked my train tickets in advance for all of 80 pence for two. Now we're here at the Jerantut station. I got my ticket, and that's one ticket, on the other side the other one, and I wasn't sure whether I needed to like get them confirmed as boarding passes or anything, or whether it was just okay just to get on the train without them. But it turns out I could have got on the train, but actually I went to the ticket office. If I hadn't have booked my tickets online, I would have gone to the ticket office. Well, there'll be one a bit like there, about there, and the man there was really nice, just took my ticket, had a little look at it, scanned the QR code that was on it, and everything was good. And yeah, so we're all set. What a nice station. Luckily, thankfully, we're in the shade as well, so haven't got long to kill, and then we just chill out here on these nice, comfortable stone benches that they're showing. We've arrived in Tanah Merah, and the train left exactly on time, and it arrived exactly on time as well. So the train station's just there, on our hotel is just around the corner of this, called the Jumeirah. Only downside for it was about 40 quid, so it's quite dear in comparison, but no distance at all. So here we are, checked into the Jumeirah hotel already. So our train rolled in at 22:56. It's now 23:01. It's pretty quick, isn't it?